Okay everyone, I have something new for the channel. I was looking for a cover for my new MacBook Pro M4 Pro. My son calls it the Pro. And I bought this one. I'm gonna link it in the description, but I stopped using it because it's so heavy. And I saw a video claiming that it might damage in the long term, it might damage the hinge. So I decided to instead just buy Apple Care for my MacBook, so if something happens, I'm covered. But also they recommended to use a sleeve, laptop sleeve, and they recommended this to be one of the best. I just removed the opening here, but I haven't taken it out of the packaging, so that's the unbox video right now here. So let's take a look. This is made, this is made in Spain and shipped directly from, I think from Malaga. Malaga is where Rafa Nadal is from, the tennis player. So I'm gonna try to tear it open without destroying the paper, which I kind of like it. And there it goes. It's very minimalistic. It has no extra pockets other than the laptop sleeve. The inside is fabric. It's not too soft. It's kind of a, I don't know what the name of this fabric is, but well, I like it that it's very thin. I like it that it has no pockets, because what I want to do with this is just protect my laptop. I'm gonna disconnect it right now. Here it is, my new space black MacBook Pro, 14 inches, and I want it to just get protected. As you can see, fits perfectly. Now I can throw this into my briefcase or even my nomadic backpack. As a matter of fact, let me try to bring it to the camera. If it fits, I don't know if it's gonna fit, but I'll try. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. There. Just don't fall. Okay, so this is my nomadic backpack, and what I'm going to use, I have this from a watch strap manufacturer, remove before dive. Kind of like it. Okay, I have a little folder here. So let's see if this fits. It looks like it does. Yeah, perfectly. That's all I wanted. I wanted something to protect my laptop and be able to fit into my backpack. Let's try my Air or briefcase as well. Okay, this is my Air briefcase. Here you go. And of course, I can see it right now. It fits perfectly. So this is the, let me put this aside. So this is the Harber London, and let me zoom back in. This is the Harber London Laptop Sleeve. Looks very, very nice. Smells awesome. It's not too expensive. Gonna put the link in the description. Very nicely sewn and finished as expected. and just the right amount of padding, right amount of protection. I also ordered a kind of a plastic film, but it hasn't arrived yet. It's coming from India. I don't know if it looks like it's lost in New York City. I don't know if it's gonna come, but I hope. And just for avoid any scratches. Still, I have Apple Care in my laptop, so I don't care too much if there is an incident because I'm covered. And that's it. Harber London Laptop Sleeve. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching.